everybody, what is going on? It's Bill with Franklin Loan Center, and today this is actually 2 weeks in a row on fraud. Last week was mortgage fraud. This week is just fraud, still mortgage related, but in regards to incoming calls you might receive. I actually got an alert yesterday. It wasn't totally related to this, but it's such a great reminder that look, like these fraudsters making calls into us are getting more and more sophisticated all the time, and more realistic, right? I mean, it's super easy for them to make it look like they are actually calling from your mortgage company, your bank, whatever it may be, and that would be like the first test. That would be easy to say, like, oh well, shoot, the caller ID, it looked legit. I mean, how many of us know the customer service phone number for any of our financial institutions? Probably none of us, right? But it's a good reminder. I mean, if you get an unsolicited call, if you are not expecting a call from your bank, mortgage company, really anybody, for goodness sake, a couple of really important things to understand. One, do not trust the caller ID. That's way too easy to fake, and it's just going to get better and better, right? So I don't care what the caller ID says. Like, that is not the first level to making sure that you trust them, right? The other one, and so, and then other things, like, look, most banks are not going to ask you for anything credential related, anything like that. They're not going to ask you about usernames. They're not going to ask you about anything like that. They're going to ask you for account information without you verifying first. So, look, the most important recommendation here: if you get a call you were not expecting from any of your financial institutions, just politely let them know, look, I wasn't expecting this call. I see your caller ID looks legit, but I'm going to hang up and I'm going to call back. And then all you do is just go and go to a recent statement, get a customer service number, go to or go to the a website, get the phone number from a trusted spot. First things first, did it match the caller ID, right? But even if it does, then you still just give them a call, verify what they were doing, right? So, just be really careful. I mean, and this is going to be true over email and everything else. All this stuff's just going to get more and more sophisticated, and more you just need to realize, like, look, your financial institutions, if you weren't expecting a call from them, do not give them any information at all, period. Hang up and call back, and they will let you know if there was something important. So again, just a public service announcement this week of just, look, I think these things are going to get more and more sophisticated, more and more sort of like convincing. Just be careful, protect yourself, just only make sure that you call back and use a trusted number that you know works. So that's all I have today. I'm Bill. I'm with Franklin Loan Center, and I'll see you all next week.